So tell me, how did you come to know about us, PT tutorials?
So, ma'am, I had been searching about the coaching for PTE, and when I had typed on Google, it suddenly came about PTE tutorials. I went through the testimonials and your approach, and I found it compelling. So that's when I decided to join PTE tutorials.
That's great. Thank you so much. So tell me, how did the PT tutorials curriculum or the study plan help you to achieve your desired scores?
I feel that it was a very targeted approach which was taken by PTE tutorials. They not only told me what type of questions will come in the exam, but also made me familiar with how the test will take place. So that made me mentally prepared as to, okay, this will be the scenario and I shouldn't get afraid of what's going around me. And in terms of test, they gave me a lot of questions as to how should I answer all those questions, what are the basic tips and tricks. Plus, there is a lot of material as well. Suppose repeat sentences was one of my weaknesses. So I practiced a lot of questions there. That's how PTE tutorial helped me to get the desired band, like the guidance plus the tips actually helped me to get the score. And you already knew that I had a very little time to prepare for it.
Would you like to share any last moment tips for the future test takers?
I would say just go with the confidence, whatever you have learned, and just don't, even if you see a mistake that you have done a mistake, just ignore that and move forward. That's what I would like to say.
Thank you so much for your time today, Rashika, and I wish you Godspeed for your future endeavors. And I hope you get the visa invite very soon. And it
Thank
is
you,
a real
ma'am.
pleasure for all of us, for me, your tutor, the PT Tutorials, my organization, to be a part of your success journey.
Thank you so much, ma'am. That wouldn't have been possible without you guys.
Thank you so much. You made my day. Thank you, Rashika.